In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the radiator coolant temp sensor on this Buick Encore. This is going to be located in the radiator. Let's get into it. And take the push pins out. Just use a trim tool. And same on the other side. And grab the cover and pull it down. We're going to take this shield off, use a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. And just grab the panel, slide it back, and it comes right down. Now with a drain bucket underneath, and I'm just going to put a hose on the end of this. You could just drain it into the bucket if you want, but it makes it a little cleaner. Just put that on the drain there, and then we can open up the valve. Just loosen this up on the radiator. And we'll just drain the coolant. There we go. Now the coolant's coming out. And just drain the coolant out. Now the coolant's drained out, close the valve. And if you put a hose on there, you can remove the hose. We're going to take this air tube off. Just use a trim tool. You can get underneath here, pry it up, and that pulls out. Disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. There's a little tab right here, a little lock tab. You want to push that up and then push down on the button. Disconnect that. There's a wire retainer back here. Just use a trim tool. Pop that off out of the way. Using a 7mm socket, loosen up this clamp right here. Just take the snorkel off the turbo. Just wiggle that off. Pull that up. Now I'm just going to put a rag in the intake of the turbo. Just don't want anything to fall in there. Just don't forget it when you go to put it back together. Just grab the air box, pick it up, and then slide it towards the center of the vehicle, and it comes right out. Now you want to disconnect the connector right here. Reach down, just push down on the connector, slide that off, move that out of the way. You can see there's a clip holding this on. We're just going to use a pick. Just get under the clip. Pull the clip out, just like that. And make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You're going to lose a little bit of coolant. Pull that out. Make sure the O-ring's still on the sensor. Take the new sensor with the O-ring. Slide it in position. Push it in place. And then take the clip. Get this lined up. Lock that down. Take the connector. Connect the connector. Take the air box. Get that lined up. Push it down on the grommet. And just take the wire. Push the retainer in. Connect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Lock it down. And remove the rag. Put the snorkel on. Push that on. And tighten down the clamp. That's snug. And take this tube, line it up, lock it in place. coolant cap off. You want to make sure the engine's cold whenever you remove the coolant cap. Pressurize the system. On the coolant cap itself, it actually says the pressure, so you don't want to exceed the pressure that's on the cap. For this cap, it says 20 psi. Normally, they're around 15 psi, so if you go right around 15 psi, you should be good. Go a little further. That's 15 psi. And you want to use the appropriate coolant. Use a 50-50 mix. And you want to fill it up. After a minute, then you're going to put the cap on. And put these push pins in. And get this panel lined up. Slide that in. I'll take a couple of the bolts, get those started. And the screws up front. Get these started. Snug these down. And there should be a couple others. This vehicle is missing a few. And you want to start these screws on the outer side. Do not put the screws in the middle two areas. That is where the other panel goes. Same with this side. Get that started. And tighten these down. And take this panel, take the two tabs, go in the slots right there and there. Get this lined up. And about halfway down, put the push pins in. Lock it down. Same with the other side. Lock it down. Put the screws in. Tighten these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.